Today we're going to be talking about this item here, the Core Audio 12-inch ring light, selfie ring light with smartphone stand. Basically, I'm going to be unboxing this, opening it, setting it up, and just giving you guys how to set it up, how to turn it on, and just leave my feedback, how much I paid, where I purchased it from, and what I think about it. So before I get started, you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. That would be awesome. I'm trying to build on my subscriber base. And if I've added value, hit the like button and feel free to leave me comments. I always look forward to reading to all of your comments, and I always like to respond to them too. So let's go ahead, with much ado, get started. So this is the box, this is the front of it, this is the side of it, this is the back of it, and then there's the other side of it. So let's go ahead and open this. So while I'm opening it, why don't I just let you guys know is how much I paid for it. So what I paid for this is I paid about $19.99 for this. It retails for probably about like 30 bucks on this one. Where I got it from is I actually got it from a discount big box retailer. So such big box retailer that you can think about is maybe like a TJ Maxx, Target. So there are some of those stores where you can probably take a look to see if you can find it. All right, so let's take it out. So it looks good right now because the thing is that anytime you open one of these ring lights, if there's an instruction booklet, you know that first of all, you don't have to worry about not knowing how to assemble it. And second of all, that it is an item that very, very less likely to be missing parts. All right, so I'm just gonna put the box on the floor. And then I'm going to be taking out this stuff here, this right here, which you can say is your tripod, your phone holder stand, and then your phone holder. Phone holder stand is this piece right here, and the phone holder. So they already have it in there. This is empty now. This right here will be your tripod. So this is your tripod legs. Basically what it is this is your base, your foundation, where it's going to be standing. Great thing about this tripod is that it allows you to elevate your legs, so you can push these little things right here to make it much longer right here. But for this video, I just want to keep it within the boundaries of my recording. I'm going to leave it lower. So that's the tripod legs. Now, as you can see, well, this one's very unique. It already has the tripod head on it. So this would be your tripod head, what normally this would be a separate piece and you have to screw it on. It's great that they actually have it on here, but of course, turning it is a problem. But, it is what it is. So this one right here, this piece, is something where you can loosen it. So you can actually tilt it. So let me just go ahead and loosen it. So as you can see, I loosen this. You can tilt. You see right here, guys? You can see tilt. Tilt in back or forth direction. So I'm just going to tighten it back up. So it's up 90 degrees, up. Just going to leave it upright. Leave it down here. Now this is going to be a ring light. Now I'm sure you guys have the question, why is he not using the instruction booklet? Well, the reason why is because I've done so many ring lights that there's a lot of different ways to assemble it. The best way is to follow the instruction booklets, which I should probably follow. So I'm going to follow assembling it, but I was just talking about the pieces separately because I already pretty much know what they are. So this is going to be your USB remote control right here. Now, a lot of these ring lights that are here are always going to be USB powered. So it's very important that you find a plug that you can plug in this USB into because they don't provide you the plug. So the actual head plug, you make sure you have one already. And then, or you can plug it into your computer. That's another thing to get juice. The remote control is right here. This red is going to be your on and off. The minus and the plus is for your brightness levels. Normally they'll have like 10 brightness levels. And then the middle one right here is your different modes. You have like a cool white, a hot, a medium. Very simple. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So this is your instruction booklet. As I said, this one has an instruction booklet. It already tells you what you have, what to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be following the booklet, and then I'm going to be assembling it. Okay, So the booklet is that what you want to do is you want to take the smartphone mount, which is this one right here, which is already there. It has the smartphone stand, a phone holder stand, and the phone holder already there. So I'm going to just, so when you put it in, make sure that you put it in here, just screw it here. It's yellowish inside. And then right here, there's a point. Just screw this in there like a nail. All right, so it's in there. Now, the phone holder head is, it's always going to be loose. So how you can tighten that? Well, right here, it's piece. This is the piece that tightens. So you can actually just screw it in. Once you screw it in, it's going to tighten it up. All right, so now it's tight. See, there you go. And I'm going to turn it forward. So there's going to be the phone holder. And as you can see with this one, the phone holder is actually a stretch. So you can be stretched. So let's put the phone. This is an old iPhone that I have that I never got rid of. It's probably worthless now. But there you go. So that's your phone holder. So this is how it's going to look like right here. Okay. You can always tilt it this way too, your phones or whatever, whichever way works for you. There's no set way to do stuff. Just remember that. It's always just be creative and do what you feel is best for the outcome that you're looking for. So at the bottom, as you can see, there's a screw right there. And there's a screw on this tripod head. Just screw that in there. Okay, so this setup is really simple. It's just a 3-piece setup. So this is like a very easiness setup for this. All right, so I have this here. I have the phone already. All right, so let's get this. And the thing is that this actually does swivel. So I think I earlier said it only goes front and back. Actually, it does turn. So just want to point that out there. This piece, okay, there's 2 pieces right here, as you can see. So this top piece actually turns. It's kind of like a 360 turn that you can do. All right, so let's plug it in and let's take a look at this awesome item. So my feedback on this is so far is I really like the easiness of this. It's only a 3-piece and you're just sticking everything on. So that's what I like about it. All right, so I stuck it in there. Once I put in the USB into the power head, you can see that the button's there. I'll hit the button, it lights it up, as you can see right here. So this is a very close up, okay? And then now let's just go down on the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 brightness levels. Increase the brightness level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps. Let's do the modes. So the modes is one mode there. There you go. Just one mode right there. It's a cool light. Kind of yellowish hot. And then this one is in between. Brightness. This one's the brightest one. So there you go, guys. I mean, it's quite easy, quite simple. This one, I like the easiness of this one. Now, my feedback, guys, I gave it to you. This one, I like it because it's a 3-piece. Now, would I use this? I would use this, and this would be great if I was doing like cosmetics, jewelry, vlogging, blog, stuff like that. But for me, because I'm like when I'm doing this video, what I have, as you can see, I have to light it over, kind of like on the side here, because it just gives a better balance of light. Whereas right here, it's really, really bright. So if I'm doing like a video and I have this in front of me and I put a phone here, the outcome will be a little bit different. Now, it might be good. I mean, everybody's preference is different. So whatever works for you, I would say that you feel that you're happy with the outcome. But for me, I prefer like a light on top. So there you go, guys. This is what it is. 3-piece. I like it. I paid, as I said, $19.99. Goes for probably like $25 to $30 or even $40 for a piece of these ring lights. I mean, they're not cheap ring lights. So great place to get it is maybe some of the discount big box retailers. Examples like Walmart. It's always, they match prices. They're cheapest. Target sells them too. They have pretty good prices, but not as cheap as other places. Ross, big discount retailer. TJ Maxx, Home Goods. DD's, there's a bunch of them out there. Just, take a look. Online, you can get them from, but, it just depends on your price point and what you're looking for. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you guys for always watching. And If you can hit the subscriber button, that'd be awesome, as I'm trying to build on my subscriber base. And I make new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I definitely thank you guys, and please come back and watch my videos. Thanks, guys. Cheers.